So to add your Alexa device into Home Assistant, first you go to HACS, then you search Alexa Media Player. You need this. Now you might think that you can use this Alexa devices. One, it works, you can do add hub, but this is not that good. It's not nearly as good control. Like, even though this is the official one, you get much better control using the Alexa Media Player integration. You click download and just download the latest version. There you go. Notifications, or not that, settings. Let's restart. Oh, it's done. Great. So now you go to devices and services. Oh wait, it's not done. Yeah, there. Add integration and search Alexa Media Player. Now here, right now, the account is India, so .in, the email address. You have to enter the email address of your Amazon account. There you go. The password, go away. It's on right now. Now this 52 key authenticator app key for Amazon 2SV. At first I didn't understand what it is, but after some research, I'll tell you exactly what it is. You go to Amazon, then you go to your account. Here you see login and security. Click on it. Then you click manage and click add new app. Here click on scan the barcode and copy this code you see over here. Now paste it here, and for me I'll just enable advanced debug and click submit. Click yes, OTP was verified. Sign in. Oh yeah, here it is. Skip and finish. Now I've already added this to my music section. Here it seems like it was playing Demons, so yes. Now Alexa, echo, play Demons. Echo, echo, play Demons. Echo, stop. Echo, resume. Okay, so after some tweaking, this works. I'll pause it. There you go. Next I'll play it. Pause it. Play it. Change the volume. There you go. Oh, and if you are wondering what this card is, this is the yet another media player card configuration. 1 second. This is a very nice, what do you call, card. I like it. But one thing that I did realize here is that even if you click next, it works. Yeah, I'll click back, click forward, click forward. Oh, dance monkey. Let's pause this. Yep, that's it. I hope you liked the video. Adios, amigos. Wait a sec, let me continue my song. Bye-bye.
To the silence that allows for my